Today in this video, we're going to talk about how to eat healthy on a budget. Because eating healthy can be challenging, but it doesn't have to be. You may not have the funds for organic produce and gluten-free packaged goods, but there are some simple changes that you can make in your diet that will save you money while still providing plenty of nutritional value. Learn how to stock the pantry with healthy foods on a budget and watch your family grow healthier every day as a result. So let's go ahead and get into it. Number 1, stock your pantry with healthy foods. Shopping for healthy foods, keeping them in your pantry will always be more affordable than finding yourself away from home hungry and needing to go and find something. Chances are it's not going to be very healthy and it's not going to be very cheap. So stock the pantry with healthy items. Number 2, eat more fresh produce and less packaged goods. And we're going to get into why this is cheaper, because you may first hear this and think, well, that's going to be more expensive. But realize that nutrient-dense foods are in the long run going to be cheaper. Here's why. The first thing is that food is nutrient-dense. You don't have to eat as much food to get good nutrition, and in the end, you'll eat less. But if the food isn't nutrient-dense, then we'll talk about what happens there. So, for example, Lay's. The commercial says you can't eat just one. A big bag of chips is going to cost you $5. Now, a big bag of apples is going to cost you $3.99. That big bag of chips over here, Lay's admits you can't eat just one. You will eat so many of those chips in one sitting, but a big bag of apples? Chances are you're not going to get past one or two before you're done, before you're essentially full of apples. And so that's where that food is going to be cheaper. Sometimes we think it's just more expensive to eat healthy, but when you're actually getting nutrients, you don't eat as much of the food. Therefore, you're going to save money. Number 3, plan out your meals for the week in advance to save time and money. Because when you don't know what you're eating, that's when you begin to search and settle for unhealthy foods and end up spending more on going out and shopping. Planning in advance helps you to ensure that you're going to eat well and not have any opportunities where there's food confusion, leading you to make less healthy choices. Number 4, cook at home instead of eating out or ordering takeout as much as possible. If you're handling 1 to 3, then you're going to naturally choose to eat at home, which is going to save you significant amounts of money. Number 5, saving money by buying in bulk when it makes sense, like rice, beans, potatoes. Bulk purchases will almost always cost you less. Now just make sure that you really are going to eat what you purchase, because waste will increase your costs, so we want to be throwing away as little as possible. So buy in bulk, but make sure you eat it. Number 6, keep a list of cheap recipes that you can make on the fly that are still nutritious and delicious. Check out this video above and try these great and quick recipes for inexpensive and healthy eating. So there you go. We got 6 ways to help you eat healthier without breaking the bank. And if you like this kind of content, go ahead and like and comment on this video. If you're on YouTube, go ahead and click that subscribe button so that you can get alerted of more content like this. And we're going to build the best community in healthcare together. I'm Dr. Emil Tompkins. Have a great day. Check out the next video.